Hey fans, this is Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club. And today I'm going to just show another quick creation with some Sola wood flowers. This is flowers that I already dyed using the same dye process that I've used in other videos, where it's acrylic paint, water, and a little bit of vegetable glycerin or Sola wood softener. And right now I'm just taking 18 gauge wire, green wire, and I am using some hot glue on the back of the flowers and then just sticking the wire right into the back. And then I'm just cutting or trimming each wire kind of down to about the size that I want. I already glued in a piece of floral foam into the bottom. I don't necessarily fill the whole container. This container did come from Sola wood flower, as well as the rest of everything that you see me using here. Um, they have really cool decorations to be able to create with your Sola wood flowers. Nate came in to help me put a little bit of extra glue in the glue gun as I was holding it and trying to cut everything up. So I start by putting the moss in and kind of fill in, and then I do some of the additional grass and green fillers, and then just start kind of building around the wood floral designs. And I just kind of place them in, kind of starting in the center. I do use a little bit of hot glue throughout as I'm putting the flowers into the foam. I just place a little bit of hot glue on the wire and then just stick it into that foam block inside the container that I'm creating with. And I just slowly keep spinning it, turning it, building it, filling in with other pieces of leaves and greenery. And this one is going to my good friend Katina. So I used the color vanilla for the white flowers. I also just used a regular chalk black and then this fun deep teal. These are going to last forever. These are actually made of wood. They're rolled. You can use them to diffuse essential oils, which actually I put a few drips of Citrus Twist doTERRA essential oils in these because they're wood. They last forever when you use the wood softener. That actually helps to keep them from breaking or flaking or getting brittle in any way. So you'll have these for a very, very, very long time. So they're just so fun to dye, to create different assortments with. I'm so surprised at how reasonable they are from solawoodflowers.com. And I've just loved being able to play with and create and just glue different flowers to stems and just be able to enjoy these. I've been using them for everything from little pots and containers around the house to doing fun wire like hanging type topiary things. It's just there's so many different options, from making wreaths and scrapbook pages and even putting them on card fronts, and they really just turn out so beautiful, and then they have such a beautiful fragrance. So thanks so much for watching today. I just wanted to share just another Sola wood creation with you. I thought you'd enjoy it. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy the moments. I'll see you again soon at ByMeganElizabeth.com.